Hello everybody, my name is Marouan and I am Senior Publisher and Advertiser Manager at Adcash. And today we will be talking about the publisher payment settings. Stay with us and find out all the payment options available on Adcash.
In this video, we will talk about publisher payment section. First of all, let's log into our publisher platform. Then, on the left menu, the fourth tab, we can see here the payment section. If we click on it, we will be able to break down a list with three other options: payment request, wallet statement, and invoices. Let's start with the first one, which most likely will be the one that we will use the most. We can see that this page is divided in three parts: auto billing, where we can enable it; available funds, where we can edit and check the frequency and the payout speed, and also the payment request history. This last one is just a history, where we can check all the payment requests that we have done. We can also cancel the current one in case we don't want to receive it. In case we want to change the time frame, we click on this place, and right after we can choose one of the available options or customize the range we want. Then, if we want to activate the auto billing, which is highly convenient to have it always active, because in simple words it will save you a lot of time of requesting it yourself manually, or for example forgetting to request the money, which will make you at the end get the money later. So highly recommended to always enable it. Click on this green button, we will see the payment methods. As you can see, there are 4 payment methods available at the moment: bank, Bitcoin, PayPal, and USDT. Each one of these payment methods have a different minimum threshold for the payout. If you want to know what is the minimum threshold for each of these payouts, you can read more, a blog article that talks about the payment terms and methods. Going back again to the previous step, let's say that we already enabled the auto billing, we already chose the payment method that we want. Then we can go to edit the frequency and the payout speed. This is a crucial section where many publishers still get confused from time to time. From one side, we have auto billing frequency, and the other one is auto billing payment term. They are different things. The first one, the auto billing frequency, is how frequent the auto billing will be in an automatic way done on our side. In simple words, how frequent the money will be requested. But the auto billing payment term is how fast we are going to get the money after the request is done. Once we choose the ones we want, then we can go back to the payment section. On the second tab, we have wallet statements. This is something very similar to a regular bank statement, where we can see the daily commission of each day and how much it has been summed up to the balance that we had. Following the same logic of the previous steps, we can also customize the range of time we want. Last one, invoice sections, is just a history of all the invoices that we have received from Adcash.
Well, and this has been all for today. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any news from Adcash or the AdTech industry. If you have any comments, please drop a comment below or write an email to contact@adcash.com. Until the next time.